Hi everyone, this is Dina and today I'm going to talk to you about the Nikon AFS Nikkor 200 to 500 mm VR lenses. This lens is perfect for birding, wildlife, motorsports, events and more. It offers 500 mm of zoom power on FX format DSLRs and 750 mm equivalent on DX format DSLRs. The lens has a fast f/5.6 constant aperture, which allows you to capture beautiful out-of-focus backgrounds and low light performance. It also has 4 stops of vibration reduction with specialized tripod and sports modes. Plus, it is AF compatible with optional TC14E series teleconverters and DSLRs that offer f8 support. The Nikon AFS Nikkor VR lens is a great choice for anyone looking for a compact super telephoto zoom lens. It is made in Japan and offers great performance and quality. If you're looking for a lens that can help you capture stunning images, this is the one for you.
Consider before making the purchase. Here is a buying guide to help you choose the right kind of camera for your needs. Here are some of the most common types of cameras. Instant cameras, ideal for capturing instant memories and producing physical prints. Action cameras, best for outdoor enthusiasts and extreme sports, capturing hands-free footage. Point and shoot digital cameras, easy to use and portable, perfect for everyday photography. DSLR cameras, best for professional photographers, providing advanced manual controls and interchangeable lenses. Mirrorless cameras, a newer type of camera that provides the quality of DSLRs in a smaller and lighter body. Bullet cameras, best for outdoor surveillance, providing high-quality video and images with wide-angle lenses and night vision. In addition to the camera, there are several types of lenses available as well, each with its own specific use and benefits. Here are some of the most common types of camera lenses. Standard lenses, also known as normal lenses. These lenses have a focal length of around 50 mm and are suitable for everyday photography. They offer a natural perspective that is similar to what the human eye sees. Wide-angle lens. These lenses have a shorter focal length, typically between 10 to 35 mm, and are ideal for capturing wide landscapes or fitting more into a frame. Telephoto lenses. These lenses have a longer focal length, typically between 70 to 300 mm, and are great for capturing subjects from a distance such as wildlife or sports photography. Macro lenses. These lenses are designed for close-up photography and allow you to capture small subjects with great detail. They typically have a magnification ratio of 1:1 or greater. Zoom lenses. Zoom lenses have a variable focal length, allowing you to zoom in and out without having to switch lenses. They are versatile and can be used for a wide range of photography styles. When choosing a camera lens, it is important to consider the focal length, aperture, and image stabilization. Additionally, you should think about the specific type of photography that you want to pursue and choose a lens that is suitable for your needs. Guys, I sure hope you found this guide helpful. Happy photography!